Greetings, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to 40,000 naira to 50,000 naira per month. If making that money as extra income is not too small for you, then let me show you how you can actually do that with just your smartphone. Yeah, all you need is just a smartphone and data subscription, and also the knowledge to render the service to your clients or your customers. And of course, I'm going to be teaching you what you are going to be rendering to your customers or clients in this video. Permit me to introduce myself to the new viewers. I'm the live person for the first time. Giving you a warm welcome. What we do on this channel is talk on how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that is what you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And one more thing, I will never ever direct you or lead you to a wrong website or wrong way to make money online, or show you a way that is not even going to make you a dime. So of course, you see why you need to subscribe to my channel. So make sure you subscribe. Ori, I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Okay, let's dive into today's video. What service am I going to be rendering? You are going to be creating a landing page for business owners. And if you don't know what landing page is, it's just like it's a link, or it's a page, like it's kind of a mini website that contains all the link or all the profile of a business owners, maybe their previous work, the testimony of the client or the business owners, their Instagram handle link, pages, Pinterest pages, TikTok pages, all of their documents, like all of everything about their business is gathered in one website or one page. That is what we call the landing page, and they can easily put the link of the landing page in their TikTok accounts, in their bio, either on Instagram bio, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. They can easily put it anywhere, or they can easily send it to a client to check out their profile or social media. That's basically what landing page looks like, and what is made up of. Did you get? Yeah. Now the next question is, what do I need to start this business? Basically, as I said earlier, you don't need anything than your smartphone. And of course, I believe you already have a smartphone, and that is why you are watching me right now. And second thing you're going to be needing is a data subscription. And third is knowledge that you need to start the business. And I'm about to teach you that. You just have to be patient a little bit. And the next question is, who are my target audience? So you have it just ahead. Who are my target audience? Your target audience are business owners, organizations owners. Those are your targets. Sorry, English is hard. Those are your target audience. Okay, you know, in Nigeria, people don't really like business owners, especially your live vendors. They don't really take landing page serious. So if they see someone that is going to create a landing page for them for free, without, they will not do any stress. That are just going to, I don't mean for free, like you are going to be creating a landing page for them for a cheaper price. They are going to jump onto you. So you need to grab this copy as soon as possible. Now let's keep going. The next question is, how much will I charge rendering the service? How much will I charge my clients? How much will I charge my customers? So the amount of money you can charge your customers is, the amount I actually charge my customers or my clients personally is 7,500 naira to 15,000 naira. So now it depends on you. You know, sometimes I actually charge according to how I see my customers' business growth. Like for instance, now if I'm working with a very businesswoman, for creation of landing page, will be like, we will come 30,000 naira or 40,000 naira. But if I see a small business owner, you know, they are Nigerian now, they will see price and they'll be like, is it not 5,000 naira? Is it not okay, please. Let me to do it for 2,000 naira. Let me to do it for 3,000 naira. So, but the smallest amount that I can collect in creation of landing page is 5,000 naira, like for real, smallest. But it's left to you, because I want to teach you for free does not mean that you should be rendering a service anyhow. You should strategize yourself. Your time is very important. Every minute of your time is very, very important. You are rendering a service. So and also I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to get a client as well. So don't worry and calm down, okay? And I think that's all the questions I have listed here. If you have any other question you want to ask me, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be there answering those questions. Now the next thing is that, how am I going to create the landing page? We have two options of creation of landing page. I personally use milkshake.com. and we also have linktree.com. So I'm going to be showing you samples of both. I'm going to put it into the screen, showing you the Linktree outcome and the Milkshake outcome. So now let's go to our Chrome browser and check out how Milkshake actually looks like. And also I'm going to be creating the landing page using the Milkshake. Let's get started.
So what you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type in milkshake.com. You're not going to click on the first link because now that's not the app. Then you scroll down, then click on the second link, this one. You are going to install this either from your Apple Store or your Play Store. I already have it downloaded on my phone, so I'm going to be using the app on my phone. Now let's get straight into it.
To download the app, you are going to log in with your Gmail account, and also to create your website URL, we suggest using your name or business name. You can also change it you can change it later. So if you are creating a landing page for a brand, I would suggest you use their business name. Make sure there's no space between it. I've already used this URL before, that is why it's not going through, and that is my social media manager account branding. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you everything step by step. I'm going to log in into my account, creating a new page just to show you how exactly you're going to perform the task. So I'm going to be switching into my main account. I'm going to be editing it and creating another new brand page for it. Then once you want to click, you click on the plus sign. You're going to see something like this. Then you click on any page or any what templates you want. So I'm going to be clicking on my favorite templates. You can use any of other templates of your choice, but I'm going to be using this one. So for the topics, you can write welcome to our space, welcome to my space, welcome to Oluchi skincare brand, welcome to Ola skincare clinic, welcome to anything. So once you're done with that, you can easily change the image. You choose it from your library, then you change the image to make the page look more attractive. If you don't like the image you use, you can easily change it anytime. Okay, then for the subheading, you are going to be writing welcome to our little space, or welcome to Amarachi store, welcome to my clothing store. It depends on the brand you're working with. Okay, I'm just setting this I'm just setting this as an example. So I'm going to be writing welcome to Amdola's social space, or Amdola's social space, and the subheading is going to be like, I can easily skip the subheading, it's not a must, but I'm just going to be writing social media management. And then my card's description is going to be all about the goal of my brand, which is to help brand build their dream brand online. We manage Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, so on and so forth. So I'm just putting this card description so you know exactly what you are going to put when you are creating a landing page for your business owner. And also I would advise you to to create more landing page, like for you to create more portfolio for yourself. You can create a free landing page for your friends, your colleague as well. Then you can easily send those ones to your clients that this is exactly what they're going to get once they pay you. Okay, you are going to be clicking on the recommendation hashtag one, then you click on the edits that looks like pencil. Then you can easily put on the item heading. For instance, you want to put your WhatsApp link, you can easily put in, okay, connect us on WhatsApp or Instagram or TikTok, but I'm going to put in my WhatsApp link because I want them to chat me up directly on my WhatsApp, so they can state whatever they want to state, or they want to ask me, or whatever service they want me to render to them. And also pick description is all about what is there, but it's not a must to write the pick description. You can easily skip it, and if you want to write anything there, you can easily write it. Then the external link, you're going to write what is it about. Is it a WhatsApp link or Instagram link? I'm going to be writing WhatsApp, and then I'll go to my WhatsApp to copy my link, my business link. You're going to go to the settings, and then business tools, short link, copy link, and then I'll go back to my page, my landing page, then save it. You click on the photo here, it's going to take you to the library where you get to choose the pictures you want to use for it. Then it's already loading. You can easily change the pictures anytime. You can change anything there. So I'm going to be using this one. If it's not okay, if I feel like I need to change it later, I can still change it. So you're going to click on preview underneath. If you scroll down, you're going to see the sign of the preview there.
and this is how it's going to look like. If you don't like the first picture that I put, I don't like it that the way it looks like, I'm definitely going to change it. So that's the WhatsApp. Then if you want to change it, there's something like food stuff, then you click on the recommendation too. But if you don't want this recommendation stuff to be there, you're going to click on the delete sign that is there, and it's going to disappear. Okay, that's all about it. So that's how you're going to keep doing it. Then you click on publish. It's going to publish your accounts. Click on the make shake and bella social. It's going to take you to your Chrome browser or a Google browser or any browser you're using your smartphone, and this is how your landing page is going to look like. Did you get? So once they click on the WhatsApp, it's going to take them straight to your WhatsApp. They can easily chat to you there and ask whatever they want to ask you, or whatever service they want to deal with. Whatever service they want you to do for them. Okay. So that's all, and you can just keep repeating the process. Make sure you practice, and remember, practice make perfection. So now let's talk about how you're going to get clients. You can easily get clients by posting your portfolio on your WhatsApp, telling people that you're going to create a landing page for them for a cheaper price. I render this service at the range of 7,500 to 15,000 naira per one, and if you just want to do it like a cheaper price, you can do it for like 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira. Imagine getting like 2 or 3 clients in a week and multiply that money into, like, let me say 15,000 naira times 4. You're going to be making around 60,000 naira per month, if I'm not mistaken. So you can easily do, like, creating a landing page is very, very easy, and it's your choice. If you choose to also offer the service for 3,000 naira, it's left to you. Okay, that's how you can get a client. You can also get client on Facebook, Instagram. That's all about that. And I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you found this very helpful, and if you need my help, I'm going to be posting my Telegram link in the description box for you to get access to me. Though the Telegram link is going to lead you to an IAS platform where I organize for people who want to make money online, but it's an investing business. So, but if you want to, I'm not saying you should do the business, but if you want to reach out to me, I'm the admin of the group, so you can easily reach out to me and talk about the landing page stuff. I'm going to attend to you as soon as I see your message. Okay, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, make sure, just thank me by subscribing to the channel. I really love you. Take care. Bye.